Welcome to the Comfort Couch, Shifali. How are you feeling today?
Good. Little exhausted, but good.
So let's start with some breathing exercises to help you relax.
Okay.
Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out. Are you ready to dive into a comfort trance?
Yeah.
Okay. What's something that made you smile today?
You, right now?
Thank you. Did you take out enough time for yourself?
No, not at all.
Why?
Because I was working all day.
How do you unwind then when you're so exhausted?
I actually want to just go shower and sleep, but I cannot do that because I have another commitment after this. So after that, I will sleep.
Okay. Let's try and help you unwind here.
Sure.
If you could go back to one moment in time, where would you go?
One moment in time, where would I go? I don't know. There are so many moments. Uh, I think the happiest moments of my life have been when I gave birth to my kids. The first time I heard their cry and the first time I saw their faces.
A space or a corner in your house that makes you feel more of you.
Uh, I love my AV room because I can watch what I want to watch, and it's also quiet and it's dark and it's got a recliner chair, so it's very comfy with chadar and all that, and I can watch whatever I want to watch, which I love doing. And or it's my bedroom, my bed, where I can read or sit with my lie around with my dogs.
What's your dream holiday destination?
Mm, anywhere where there is water.
Did you take any trip recently?
What is the last trip I made? I mean, for work, yes, yesterday, but
For leisure.
for leisure, I think was my last trip Sitara. Oh yeah. So the last one I did was Ahilya by the. It was in Goa, and the one before that was a beautiful place in Manali. Not Manali actually. Where was it? It is Manali. Manali, really beautiful place. And another holiday that we did before that, I think, was Corbett.
Which song would be the soundtrack to your life right now?
Mm, I don't know. Never thought about it.
Do you take out enough time to think for yourself?
Oh, yeah, I do. Even if I don't want to, I can't stop thinking. So, yeah.
What is it that you've realized about yourself recently through this self introspection?
That I really need to go easy on the thinking. I overthink. And I just really need to clean my brain up sometimes and be in that space of nothingness, which happens very rarely.
Is there somebody you want to forgive?
Is there someone I want to forgive? I don't hold grudges. I don't. It's forget, forgive, move on.
What do you listen to when you really need to shut the world out?
Uh, nature sounds or whale sounds.
Do you have a favorite way to show kindness to others?
I compliment people all the time. I genuinely, and even if I don't know the person, when I talk to someone, even if it's in a hotel or a restaurant, I address them with their name. I think that gives them a sense of, it seems like they're not just somebody who's serving or who's a manager. It's somebody, they listen to you on a personal one on one. They feel like, oh, this person's addressing me with my name. So it seems like a personal interaction instead of just, telling me to do something because of my designation.
I'm sure your smile also adds to it.
Well, I guess must be.
Shifali, what are you most proud of right now?
What am I? I'm proud of Delhi crime.
If you could have a fictional character from Delhi crime as your best friend, who would you choose?
Vartika. She's a very good person to have in your corner.
You know, many critics applaud your mastery of silence. Now, is that something that comes naturally to you, or is that your acting brilliance?
No, there are times when I go completely quiet, and and there are times when I can talk one to a dozen. But I just feel that when, particularly on camera, I have the privilege of a camera which catches the smallest nuance. So I genuinely believe that don't use two words if you don't use four words if you can use two, and don't use any words if you need to completely shut it out. And silence is a universal language, everyone's going to understand it. But I think it works beautifully.
Off screen, how are you? Are you a silent person, or you love to chat?
It depends, really. I mean, I love spending time with my friends, and we can chat continuously, and then I can just sit watching outside or listening to some music or reading a book or just being.
What's the last book that you read or are currently reading?
Men Without Women by Murakami.
Wow. Would you film with your pet?
I did actually. We did a photo shoot with the pups for uh, a publication.
How did your pups change life?
Oh my God, they've just added so much love and joy. I strongly advocate and tell everyone possible, everyone listening, please get a pet. They change the entire energy of your home, your family, and it's just beautiful.
What's your favorite animal?
Doggy.
Would you rather be a mermaid or a fairy?
I'd rather be a dog. I don't want to be either of them.
What's your favorite type of flower?
Flower, uh, it's either a lilium or it's mogra.
Do you gift yourself flowers?
So, yeah, I do. I mean, I don't gift it to myself, but I call for a lot of flowers when either I have something to celebrate, or sometimes just because I want flowers. Even in my office, in fact, I do not like roses. I do not like carnations. Liliums, Rajnigandha, and Mogra. These are my favorite flowers.
What's your guilt free indulgence?
Guilt free indulgence. Like in terms of food, it would be probably fish curry and rice. I love coastal cuisine.
Lovely. Also, do you have parts of Shelja in you from the three of us?
Yes, I think I have her vulnerability. I think I have her childlike innocence. When I say innocence, it's, a sense, somebody who believes, who trusts easily, and who believes that everyone is good until proven guilty, not the other way around. She doesn't look at people with doubt in her eyes. She's also very welcoming and embracing of people. And I think there's something very childlike about her, and I think that also is in me.
Do you also get vulnerable easily?
Yep.
What's that one best piece of advice you've ever received?
The best piece of advice I have ever received, I can't remember, but I will remember it in some time. I thought of this, and I thought of a very nice answer because I finally remembered something on at that point, but I can't remember. Probably it was like be yourself.
What's a piece of advice you would give to your younger self?
Be more focused, be more driven, be more ambitious.
At this point, is your inner child happy?
Yeah, yeah, I think so. But I think my inner child is a little overworked right now. That inner child really wants to do nothing, like lie around and do nothing. But I'm not complaining. I love what I do, and I'm enjoying every bit of whatever I'm doing right now, including this.
Do you have some advice for people watching this at home on how to chill and relax?
No, I don't, because everyone has their own way of chilling out. How can I tell someone what to do? For someone, it might be watching TV on a loud volume, and for someone, it might be just reading a book in complete silence. So I cannot tell you how to chill, but I can tell you and re emphasize that it's really important to chill and just be sometimes without doing anything, without thinking of anything, just being.
How do you talk about self acceptance with yourself now?
Well, there are days when I accept myself completely. There are days when I'm questioning everything. And mostly I say it and I like to believe it. And when I'm saying it, I think I kind of re emphasize it to myself is that I am not pizza. I can't please everyone. So this is who I am. Take it or leave it.
Have you ever lost out on relationships because of this straightforwardness?
No, I don't think so. Because, I mean, those people who are very close to me or who love me know who I am and have accepted me for that. And probably this is my strength. So, uh, no, I don't think so.
How would you like to be known? Shefali Shah, the artist, or Shefali, the human being?
Both.
Do you feel completely comfortable?
Yeah.
Glad we could make you feel comfortable. Thank you, Shefali.
Thank you.